and gentlemen, to give you all the necessary antioxidants that your body needs, we decided to create this product, and that is no other than the C24/7. This is the current flagship product here in Nigeria. So it has a lot of components from 29 vitamins, minerals, up to 4 longevity polyphenols. It contains 22,000 phytonutrients. Imagine. Okay, well, 22,000 phytonutrients coming from fruits, plants, and vegetable. What can it do for you? Number one, it increase your immune system. So for those people who want to prevent pneumonia, who wants to prevent malaria, or those people who are always sick every week, this is a good product for you guys. We also put here 18 amino acid for muscle repair. We also provided you with 14 super green foods that can give us protein, carbohydrates, good fats, and of course, vitamins and minerals. We also give you 12 whole fruits, 12 whole vegetable juice blend to make sure that you get the necessary nutrients so that we can prevent different kinds of diseases, conditions that is bad for us, and of course, okay, so that we can provide you what you needed every day in order for you to function in your job or whatever you're doing. We also decided to put here 12 mushrooms that can help us prevent different kinds of cancers, especially for those people with family history of cancer, such as breast cancer, prostate cancer, skin cancer. Say it, my dear friends. Next one is 12 digestive enzyme. Are you a person who's always suffering from stomach upset? Then this is a good product for you. We also included 12 herbs and specialty nutrients and 10 essential fatty acid for those high blood people or friends that is suffering from high blood pressure. C24/7 is a good product that we can recommend to you guys. We also include here 5 anti-aging, antioxidant enhancer that will not only help you to look very young and to prolong your lifespan, but also protects your liver. Last but not the least, we have the 4 longevity polyphenols that can help us to prolong our lifespan by about 15 to 20%. So here you go. All of this, my dear friends, are present in one small capsule of your C24/7. Let's move on to the next product, and that is no other than, okay, the KD 24/7. So if we have a product for adults, we also have a product for kids. Yes, products for kids. Why? Because the nutrients they needed is different from the nutrients or the dosage that we needed as an adult. So to make sure that we give them the proper amount of nutrients for them to grow normally, we decided to create your KD 24/7. Hey, okay, let me admit some of the people who are joining us. Okay. So, what can you expect from your KD 24/7? Number one, it has 14 vitamins and minerals that we got from the 26 fruits and vegetable. All of this, my dear friends, can help the children to prevent different kinds of malnutrition. It can help them to grow normally, and at the same time, it can help them to normalize their digestion. Why? Because children sometimes they don't like eating fruits and vegetable. That's the reason why they're having a hard time removing those toxins in their body, especially during their bowel movement. Now, they will love this because it's in a form of candy. They will love the taste because it's sweet, and the sweetness is coming from fruits and vegetables. So I hope that you are going to recommend this to children 2 years and above. Let's move on to the next product, and that product is no other than Complete Phyto Energizer. Yes, it has 16,000 phytonutrients, and we got it from the 131 components. Yes, it also has vitamins and minerals, vegetables, fruits. It also has 10 essential fatty acid. Everything is here in just one small capsule of your Complete Phyto Energizer. So, who are you going to recommend your Complete? Okay, number one, pregnant women or a woman who wants to conceive. Do you have friends like that? This is the right product for you. Next one. How about a person who is lactating? You can give complete phytoenergizer as well because the nutrients are not only for the mommy but also for their babies as well. So again, you can give this to pregnant women, lactating mothers, and last but not the least, you can also recommend this to people who have bleeding problems. Okay, so here you go. That is complete phyto energizer. Next one. Restore Life. Restore Life, my dear friends, is a product that is very rich in resveratrol. Did you know that resveratrol helps us to slow down the inflammation process in our body, thus helping us to prolong our lifespan and at the same time helps us to prevent different kinds of diseases or age-related diseases to be specific, such as arthritis, rheumatism, my dear friends, gouty arthritis, and even peripheral vascular disease. Did you know that it can also be recommended to people who is suffering from type 2 diabetes? Why? Because it increases the sensitivity of insulin. So for those people who are suffering from that kind of condition, Restore Life is a product that I can recommend to you guys. Okay. So next. We also have here the next product, our favorite product, Liven Alkaline Coffee. By the way, we have a promo to all of our Liven. Yes, we have a promo for all of our Liven products. So if you want to know more about it, this one, I'm going to discuss this after the product presentation. So we have 4 variants of coffee. We have original, we have latte, we have cappuccino, and we have sugar-free. All of these are made from Arabica coffee beans. This Arabica coffee beans helps us to enjoy the antioxidant known as caffeine. Yes, that is also an antioxidant. It can give us alertness. It can give us the strength. That's the reason why, my dear friends, when you are drinking this coffee, you feel very, you feel very strong. And sometimes it can also help you to suppress your appetite in a good way. Yes, it will not increase your acidity in your stomach. It's because this is alkaline. Yes, this is alkaline and it can help you to absorb the nutrients that we put inside all of the livets that we have here in Nigeria. Hey, okay. So let me admit some once again. And apart from that, this is fortified with complete phytoenergizer. So imagine 1/3 of that complete is in every sachet of your Liven. So what are you waiting for? Get your Liven alkaline coffee and I'm sure you will be able to enjoy it, especially for busy people. And we also have the sugar-free. The sugar-free doesn't have a sugar at all. Yes, again, the sugar-free doesn't have any sugar. What we put there is stevia. Stevia is not carbohydrate. So even if you drink this one, it will not increase your blood sugar. If there are reports that their blood sugar is increasing, it means, my dear friends, there is something or a substance that they took, they ingest or they drank that is very high in sugar. However, our sugar-free, my dear friends, even if you check, okay, the nutritional values at the back of the box of the Liven alkaline coffee sugar-free doesn't have any sugar at all because again, stevia is not carbohydrates, thus it will not increase the sugar level in your blood. So what else? Who are the people that you can recommend this product? Yes, you can recommend this to people who are dieting. You can recommend this to people who are also, who are also experiencing diabetes mellitus or diabetes type 2. Okay, so let's move on to the next product that we have, My Choco. Okay, who among all of you love My Choco? Type it there at the comment section or chat box, My Choco. So earlier, I saw that there's messages here at the chat box. Let me check it out first. Good mornings. How are you, Barrister? Okay. So, My Choco, my dear friends, is also fortified with complete phytoenergizer. So, you can expect all of the nutrients from the 12 fruits, 12 mushrooms, 12 vegetable, everything is already here. And apart from that, This is fortified with DHA or docosahexaenoic acid, which is good for the heart, for the eyes, and for the brain. So if you know some people who are suffering from forgetfulness or have a family history of dementia or Alzheimer's, you can recommend this wonderful product to them because it can help them to prevent that kind of condition, or at least improve their condition if they already have that kind of disease or illnesses. And apart from that, you can give this product not only to adults like us, you can give this to children, small children. So this is jam-packed with a lot of good vitamins and minerals that will help them to grow normally. Okay, so this is alkaline. This is to make sure that you are getting 99%, okay? 80 to 90% of the nutrients coming from each of the sachet of our My Choco. Next product, we have the Colidus. Yes, Colidus. We have a promo for this product as well. We have a buy one, take one. Colidus. So how are you going to use Colidus, by the way? This product is rich in omega supreme fatty acid. From omega-3, omega-6, omega-12, omega-9, everything is present in one soft gel of Colidus. So you can give this to a person who is suffering hypercholesterolemia, high blood pressure, people who have experienced partial stroke, people who have a family history of heart attack, you can give them Colidus. Even pregnant women, you can give them Colidus because of the presence of DHA. So how can Colidus help you guys to prevent all of those kind of conditions? Did you know that as you take this product, it can help us to kick out all of the excess bad cholesterol in our body, normalizing the cholesterol level in our body. Yes, cholesterol is good for us. There are different kinds of cholesterol. We are just kicking out all those bad ones that can cause the stroke, the heart attack, the hypertension, etc. So how are you going to take your Polydose? My dear friends, every day take this one soft gel a day. It's good for you. So if you continuously take this one for 30 days, it can give you a wonderful result because it can normalize the cholesterol level in your blood. So once again, I will repeat, for those people who are suffering from hypercholesterolemia, people who have a very high cholesterol, my dear friends, this is for you guys. People who are suffering from partial stroke, who have suffered rather partial stroke, again, take this Colidose. A person who wants to conceive, take Colidose. A person who is pregnant, you can take your Colidose as well. Okay? And how about those person, women, to be exact, my dear friends, who want to prevent postpartum depression, you can give Colidus. Why again? Because DHA is good for the brain, it enhances the memory, and it can prevent postpartum depression. So that's how you're going to take this wonderful product. You're not just going to take this product one time. You're going to take this for at least 1 month to 2 months to get a wonderful result. It's just like the normal maintenance that you are taking. But the difference is that Colidus is made organic and natural. Again, this is made organic and natural. By the way, this is the only product of the company that is not made from plants and vegetables. It is made up of fish oil. Yes, again, it's fish oil. So let's move on. We have the Vida Max together with your Colidus. If you want to have a much faster effect, then take Vida Max. Did you know that Vida Max has two wonderful components, Resvida and Fruit Flow? Resvida will help you to dilate the arteries so that the blood will flow naturally. Fruit Flow can help us to normalize the function of your platelet so that we can prevent heart attack or stroke. So again, together with your Colidus, take your Vidamax. How many Vidamax are you going to take? One capsule only or one tablet once a day is enough. Okay? The only one that you're going to increase is your Colidus. It depends on how high your cholesterol is. Okay? But I suggest you take at least one soft gel of Colidus every day to prevent or normalize the amount of cholesterol in your blood. Let me check the chat box. Awesome products. That's definitely true. What else do we have here? How are you? Consultant Robert, Mr. Blessing, or Ma'am Blessing rather. Sorry about that. Now, let's continue. The next product that we have here is Natural Essential Herbal Toothpaste. This toothpaste, as its name suggests, is all natural. It is made up of bee propolis, tea tree oil, myrrh extract, piper betel extract, aloe vera. So it can prevent inflammation for those people who are suffering from oral thrush or anything that creates infection in your mouth. And at the same time, for those people who are suffering from halitosis or bad breath, do you know some people or friends who are suffering from that? The Natural Essential Herbal Toothpaste is a great product for you. And this is fortified with complete phyto-energizer. So, this complete phyto-energizer, you don't need to swallow the byproduct of this one. You just do your normal brushing of teeth because underneath your tongue, it can help you to absorb this 1/3 of complete phyto-energizer. So imagine, while we're making sure that our teeth and gums are healthy, we are getting the nutrients that can make our body healthy. However, again, even though it has complete phyto-energizer, it only has 1/3. If you want to enjoy the whole benefits of complete, then go to complete phyto-energizer for much better result. Let's continue. Burn Slim. For people who want to slim down, want to become sexy, but they just want to have a normal BMI, then I suggest you take your Burn Slim or body under right nutrition. So one of the components we use here is the Garcinia gambogia that suppresses our appetite. So when I say suppress, we are not stopping you from eating. You're still going to eat. However, instead of eating one full meal, you can only eat half. Because again, it can help you to feel full. Okay, that is the function of your Burn Slim or Garcinia gambogia. Apart from that, it can help us to increase our metabolism because metabolism is the process in which we convert the food that you're eating into energy. So instead of it being stuck in your body as fats, we are going to burn those stuck fats in your body to make sure you're going to hit your normal or desired weight. So that's how you're going to take your Burn Slim. By the way, you can take this one capsule once a day. It depends on your size. But if you're very big and you want a much faster result, then we need to increase the dosage as well. But before you increase, my dear friends, you need to ask the professionals of our company of Edblan 3.0 or Empowered Consumerism in the Philippines so that you know the exact dosage of Burn Slim to make sure that you're getting your desired body. So let's continue. We have the care lift for people who are always going to gym or maybe you're working too hard, my dear friends. You are experiencing muscle pain, joint pains, maybe due to age, my dear leaders. Then here we go. We have the care lift. Care lift, we infuse 9 powerful ingredients to make sure that whenever you're going to experience the pain in your body, what you just need to do is to get the patch, remove the sticker, and latch it into any area that is causing you pain. So the process is very natural. It's because it will absorb the heat that is coming out of the body and it will reflect it back to the area that is giving you pain. So what are some of the ingredients that we put here? Number one, of course, we put the vitamin E. Okay. We also have nano diamond here. Okay, apart from that, we also have Korean ginseng. All of those, my dear friends, helps us to relieve the pain that we are experiencing whenever we have, for example, arthritis or too much use of muscle due to exercise, or maybe you're working too hard that you are always abusing the use of certain joints in your body. That's the reason why you are getting the pain. But again, you don't need to worry again because Care Lift will take care of all of that. Hey, I hope everyone is following to what I am saying right now. Currently, we are in Care Lift. Next product. Okay, next product that we have is definitely energy. Energy, my dear friends, is a product that can help us to prevent radiation from destroying our body. Why? Why am I talking about radiation? Radiation is everywhere right now, especially we are using gadgets, appliances that emits radiation. But let me tell you guys, even though they emit radiation, the radiation that they emitting is not that strong. Okay, it's just a little bit of radiation that we are getting out of what we are using, such as this phone that I am using, my dear leaders. Okay, so why is it that it's so important that we are using energy? Because we are always exposed. It means our exposure is so long that it can affect our body. One example of that is when you use your cell phone and you've been talking to somebody for a very long hour, you are going to experience or feel the heat coming from this gadget of yours. When you are feeling the heat, that is not a good sign because it means the radiation is already affecting your body. Sometimes it can cause a lot of wahala or problems such as insomnia. Okay, it means you're having a hard time sleeping. That is because you've been exposing yourself to these gadgets that emits that particular EMF or electromagnetic frequency radiation. So what do we need to do? We cannot just stop using cell phone. We cannot just stop using this laptop. How am I going to communicate with you guys? If we stop, if we stop using all of this, our life is very convenient with the help of technology. We cannot just stop doing that. Now, my dear friends, what do you need to do? What you just need to do is just to get your energy. This energy diffuser, attach it to the gadget that is emitting the EMF, and you can enjoy any gadget, any appliances, my dear friends, that can help you to have a more comfortable life. So does it have any expiration date? No. As long as you have the energy, it doesn't expire. Okay, I hope that is wonderful. Let's move on. Let me now discuss the new product that we have here in Nigeria. To all my Filipino friends that is currently here attending, let me introduce this product this way. Okay. Our body really needs water. Did you know that the body is composed of at least 60% water? Why? Because water can alleviate thirst. Water can make our skin healthy. Water can prevent different kind of kidney diseases. Water can help us physically healthy, mentally healthy, prevents dehydration. It can also help us to prevent weight loss or at least normal weight. It can help us to normalize our weight. Did you know that? Water can help us a lot. Now, my dear leaders, why am I talking about water? Hey, hey, it's because we are going to focus on the product that can improve the water that you are drinking. Introducing the Ultra H2. My dear friends, we are exposed in different kind of stressors everywhere. Stress from the job, stress from the outside work, my dear friends, stress from other people, and a lot more. Pollution, say it. All of those things affects our body. It can increase the level of free radicals. And these free radicals, once again, if it's just too much, it can cause different kinds of diseases and illnesses. The worst that can happen, of course, is cancer. The most prone one are the people with family history of cancer. So please listen very carefully. How will Ultra H2 help you guys? Did you know, according to study, free radicals is composed of H and O. That is the element of your free radicals. So now, according to studies, because this product has human clinical studies, not just one, but 800, we decided to have human clinical studies before introducing this to the market to make sure that what we really are introducing to you is effective. So, if you put the normal water in Ultra H2, my dear friends, it can help us to charge that water that once you drink the water coming from the Ultra H2, it will add an additional H. What is H? That is hydrogen in to the, into the element that is composing rather your free radicals. Now, there are two H and one O. Okay. So now, if we're going to, read that, that is H2O. What is the element of water? That is H2O. So now, that particular free radicals, my dear friends, instead of it harming your body, it can become a normal water that can prevent a lot of diseases. Okay. So let me fix this one first before anything else.
Hello, present. Rosel. Jose Carilla.
So I hope everyone can hear me well. So instead of these free radicals harming your body, did you know that just by simply drinking the water that came out from Ultra H2, it can help us to turn that free radical into a normal cell. It becomes a water and it helps us to prevent different kinds of disease, such again, rather condition and diseases such as dehydration. For those people who are experiencing stomach upset, maybe you have eaten something spoiled or not good, Ultra H2 is a good product that you can take as well. For people with family history of cancer, Ultra H2 is a good product. How about a person with asthma? This Ultra H2 has a certain device, my dear friends, that you can attach in this apparatus. Now, once you attach that one, what you just need to do is to put it in your nose and in your mouth and then breathe out. Inhale, yes. Inhale that fumes that is coming out from the Ultra H2. That is good. It will help you to loosen up and make your lungs work properly, and at the same time help you to breathe normally. So that's how you're going to use your Ultra H2. Okay, let me admit some people. Thank you very much. According here, it creates up to 1,500 parts per billion. So it means whenever you're going to drink this one, it will not only convert one, okay? It will convert 1,500 parts per billion. So imagine, my dear leaders, a lot of bad things will turn into good things if you're going to take the water that is coming from the Ultra H2. Turns potable water, okay, into a super antioxidant water. It's not just a normal water now, it's an antioxidant water. The highest mobile molecular hydrogen generator, and just like what I've said, it has 800 human clinical studies regarding molecular hydrogen, and this is advanced Japanese technology, and it was made in South Korea. So this is a wonderful product that I'm sure our friends here in Nigeria will definitely enjoy. So what are you waiting for? Get your Ultra H2 now. This one doesn't have expiration date. So basically, if you get your Ultra H2, you can use it forever. What you just need to do is just to put water in it every time you're going to drink, and it definitely help you to prevent a lot of diseases and illnesses. So just get your products. You will enjoy it. It's because we have a lot of promos, and at the same time, it will prevent a lot of diseases and alleviate some of the bad signs and symptoms that is brought about by the current condition that you have, if ever you know somebody like that.